Today we're going to be taking a look at a lawnmower. This is a push mower. It is being sold by Harbor Freight under the Atlas brand. It is part of their 80-volt lithium series. I did reach out to Harbor Freight and ask them for this lawnmower, and they sent it to me so that I can share it with you guys. Inside the box, you're going to find the lawnmower itself, a grass catching bag if you choose to use it, and also a manual. And as you can see, the only thing we have to do is just kind of assemble the handles. And that assembly is just really simple. It's just basically two knobs that hold everything together. The lawnmower is designed to store very tightly as you see it. You basically unfold the handles when you need to use it, or you can leave it unfolded if that's what you choose to do. And then once you unfold it, you tighten up these handles. Then you can grab a hold of these orange handles, pull straight back, and then unfold the handle itself. And then let these lock back into place. And there are three different positions you can tilt the handle. So if you're kind of short, you may want to use the bottom hole. If you're kind of tall like me, you'll probably use the top hole. So it's fully adjustable for your height. And speaking of height, there is one lever that controls the height of the entire deck. That makes it very easy to adjust how high you want your grass. There's also a side chute attachment, so you have plenty of options here. You can either bag your grass, you can shoot the grass out the side, or you can mulch it. The battery or batteries are stored underneath the hood. The lawnmower will accept one or two batteries. It'll basically utilize one until it's empty and then switch over to the second compartment. Operation is pretty simple. There are two bars. There's a top bar and a bottom bar. The bottom bar controls the travel because it is a self-propelled mower, and there's a lever over here to set the speed of that. So if you want it to go really fast, you push it all the way forward. If you want it to go really slow, you pull it all the way backwards. But regardless, once you pull the bar up, the lawnmower will start traveling. Now to start the blades, there's a bit of a safety feature built in. You have to hold the orange button down and then pull the top bar back. As you can see, this will activate the blades. Other than that, operation of this mower is just like any other mower. So the question in everybody's mind is, well, how well does it work? And we're gonna find out. Let's go ahead and fire up the mower and see what we can do. Now I've purposely mowed just a little patch with it at first so you guys can see how well it's doing, and it's mowing really nice. All right, so full disclosure, it is starting to rain. In fact, the grass was starting to get so wet, I had to stop mulching. I just put the side chute on it, but the grass is gonna be a little bit wet. I'm gonna go inside, let the rain finish out, and then we'll finish mowing this lawn. That's why it looks a little bit clumpy, because I couldn't keep mulching it just because it was just too wet. All right, so let's talk about how we did. And again, it rained and it monsooned and it poured, and I just mowed anyhow, and it did fine. There's some clumping. The clumping is just because the grass was wet. In fact, it's still raining a little bit. The sun's out, but it's still trying to rain some. But it did fine. The self-propelled worked great. I was able to pretty much push it, make it go as fast as it could go, and well, it still kept up. I did end up mulching the rest of the yard. In fact, you can tell the areas where I side shooted it and the areas where I mulched it. It's a great little mower. And the other thing that I notice is when you get into tall grass, the motor speeds up, and when you get into short grass, it slows back down. As far as battery goes, I depleted the first battery, and the second battery is just about 3/4 full, so I didn't really use it all that much. So what are my final thoughts? Well, you know what? This lawnmower is an outstanding lawnmower. Today we gave it tall grass, wet grass. We tried to mulch with too much wet grass, and we did shoot it out the side for a while, and we went back to mulching again, and it did the job. I'm extremely impressed with the Atlas line of yard tools. Now keep in mind, what I showed you was the tool only. When you buy it, you get the tool only. You're still going to need a battery, and you're going to need a charger. And with any of these yard tools with the higher voltage batteries, the ecosystem isn't exactly cheap to get into. But the bonus with Harbor Freight is once you get the batteries, once you get the charger, well, the tools, those prices are very reasonable. And by what we have found out so far, the Atlas line is really good. It's worth getting into that ecosystem. They have a lot of yard tools and a couple of other things, and I'm going to show you some of those in the future. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.